Hi there. Good afternoon. We're just five for now. We'll just wait for the others. Maybe we'll wait until we hit or reach 20 or 15. That's when we're going to start. Okay. Anyway, this lesson, this is for mathematics, grade 6. This is very important because this is about integers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing integers, which is a really important lesson, especially that you are now in grade 6 and months from now you will be in high school, and that's one of those very important lessons that you need to know. Okay, about integers, especially that you will be uh, answering, you'll be taking examinations when you get to high school, okay? Admission test, and this is one of those questions in mathematics. So it's very important that you need to know about integers. Last time we talked about order of operations. So while waiting, I'll give you something to answer while waiting for others. Now let's review on order of operations. Would that be better? Good afternoon. Shout out muna to our very early participants. Good afternoon. Shout out to Rhea Elizabeth B. Vargas, Katrina Macabaya, Nefni Yulo, Marl Errol, Panizales Jr., Samantha Garo, Felicity Estonello. Yeah, hi there. Let's just wait until we hit maybe 20 or 15, okay? That's when we formally start. But for now, let's just review on the order of operations. Especially for those who missed this lesson last week. Order of operations. I'm going to give you something to answer here. Okay. Let's have this. Number 1. Where's my pen? Can you see my 7? Let's review on this order of operations. I think I'm so dark in the video there. Order of operations. Let's review this, okay? Can you please answer this? I'll give you something to answer. Can you see this? Please, everybody answer this. 9 plus 4 times 3. We are still reviewing on order of operations. Okay? 9 plus 4 times 3. Remember the GEMDAS or the PEMDAS, okay? That you get to answer first the one inside the parentheses or the grouping symbols, and then exponent, then math, then multiply or divide, whichever comes first, where you work from left to right, and then add or subtract, whichever comes first. You work from left to right. Okay, that's the PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Now this one we have here, 9 plus 4 times 3. You answer that first. I'm going to give you maybe 30 seconds. When you hear the bell, that means time's up. You type. That's when you're going to type in your answers. Okay, then we'll check. Okay, 30 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Type in your answer now. Type in your answer, kids. Everybody, even those who are not my kids, I believe we have guests here from my channel, English to Jerry Java, English from English to mathematics real quick. So please type in your answer now. I'm not in mute now, right? Okay. Please type in your answer, everybody. Okay, somebody said 21, 21, 21, 21. Are there other answers aside from 21? Let's see. 21, I'm seeing 21. Okay. Others, please. Don't be shy. Just type in your answer, okay? We are all learning here. Okay. Okay, let's check. Let's see if you get it. This would be which or what are you going to answer first? What are you going to operate or to do first? Are you going to add first? Are you going to do 9 plus 4 or 4 times 3 first? It says we are going to follow the PEMDAS, so multiplication first before addition. So you do this first. So 4 times 3 gives you 12. So 9, then 9 plus 12 gives you, that's 21. Okay, check. 21 is correct. So do not start with 9 plus 4. You start with multiplying first. 4 times 3, this gives you 12. Then add that to 9, which is equal to 21. Correct. Congratulations. Who got it? Okay, very good, very good. Okay. But if this is subtraction, if this will be 9 plus 4, let's check. Let's try another. If this is 9 plus 4 minus 3, what are you going to do first? Alin ang unahin mo? If I'm going to give this, if I'm going to change multiplication to subtraction, 9 plus 4 minus 3, alin ang unahin mo? What are you going to do first? Which one? Let's try this. You are going to do first the 9 plus 4. Kasi add or subtract whichever comes first. So sa addition ang unahin mo. Okay, this will be 9 plus 4. This gives you 13. Minus 3. This gives you, what's your final answer here? 10. So 9 plus 4 gives you, this will be 13 minus 3 gives you 10. Right, 9 plus 4 is 13. Then subtract 3 equals 10. Okay? But ito una. Let's try another. Let's have another. I'll give you another one to answer. How about this? Everybody, do not type in your answer yet. 25 minus 5 times 4. 25 minus 5 times 4. Do that. I'll give you 30 seconds. Do not put in your answer yet. You are only going to type in your answer when you hear this bell. Where are the others? Please call them in our group chat. Asa na yun iba? Okay. Type in your answer now. Okay, go there. Type in your answer now. What is your answer for 25 minus 5 times 4? Everybody, type in your answer. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Where are the others? Type in your answer. Okay, let's try now. 25 minus 5 times 4. What are you going to do first? 25 minus 5 or 5 times 4? It says MDAS. Multiply or divide, add or subtract. So whichever comes first. But here we have subtraction and multiplication only. So you have to do multiplication first, right? So multiply this. So 25 minus. So 5 times 4 is, this is how much? 20. Then 25 minus 20 gives you 5. 5 is correct. Very good. That's it. Okay? Congratulations. Next, let's have this. Nine minus 6 times 0 plus 11. 9 minus 6 plus times 0 plus 11. 9 minus 6 times 0 plus 11. 30 seconds. Do not type in your answer yet. Wait for my go signal. Type in your answer. Type in your answer now. Type in your answer, kids. It's okay if you have different answer, okay? Don't worry. There you go. Okay, let's others say 20, the others say 1. Okay, let's try, okay? What are we going to do first? Let's read first. 9 minus 6 times 0 plus 11. What are you going to do first? You have subtraction, you have multiplication, and addition. M dash, multiply or divide, add or subtract. So you have here multiplication. So you do that first. So 9 minus, so you have that. 6 times 0 gives you 6 or 0. That gives you 0. Now you're left with 9 minus 0 plus 11. So you're going to subtract first or add, whichever comes first. When you are left with this, you work from left to right. So 9 minus 0 gives you, that would be 9, then plus 11 gives you 20. Okay, that's the answer is, correct answer is 20. Who got 20 there? Okay, the correct answer is 20. Next, we are still reviewing an order of operations because I believe this is also very important when you take your high school exams, admission exams. Then let's try something with the exponent. Okay, let's have ano na. Oh, that's okay. Let's have now it's already 9:46 in my time. Where are the others? Why are there only 8? Don't worry. Okay, let's have now the integers. What are integers? What are integers? The integers are also called the signed numbers. Signed numbers. When you say sign, that refers to either that is positive or negative. There. Integers are all the positive and negative numbers, whole numbers, including zeros. So positive numbers, negative numbers, plus, of course, a zero. Zero is included. Okay, all those that are part of the number line. I'll show you the, of course, zero is neutral. Zero is neither. It's not positive. It's also not negative. That's why it's part of the integers. Signed numbers are positive and negative numbers that show directions and magnitude. Integers are positive whole numbers, they're negatives, and zero. Signed numbers include the positive, include the integers, positive whole numbers and their negatives, positive and negative fractions and decimals. Then zero is neither positive nor negative. Let's for you to be able to understand that better, I'll show you a number line. Okay, here. So just click share. Hello, sound check. Okay, this is now on operations on integers. Students, you are going to solve problems using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of positive and negative integers. Now, I'm going to show what is that. That is called the number line. Number line. Okay, and number line can be used to show addition. Let's start with addition. No, simple lang muna ito. Oops, again. Okay, there. Cannot see it. Hi there, shout out to you, Miss Mylene GM. Hi there, I'm having my live online class for mathematics. Hi there, Mylene GM. Okay, a number line can be used to show this. And wait, where is my PowerPoint here pala? Okay, let's start with this one. And the delay lang akong kontra. For example, we'll have a negative 4 plus 8. By the way, when you say integers in real life, okay, when we say negative, that means that's going down. For example, you try to imagine a stair, okay, a staircase, hagdanan, hagdan po. Okay, when you go up the stair, that's positive. When you go down, that means it's negative, okay? Like in your grades, okay, kung nag-improve imong grade, that means it's increasing, that's positive. When it goes down, that's decreasing, that means it's negative. Okay? There. When you go right, when you go forward, that's positive. When you go backwards, that's negative. So also with this number line. Okay, here we have example negative 4 plus 8. For example, we are going to solve this using number line. Anyway, for the rules, if you don't have the number line, we'll discuss that after this. Okay, negative 4 plus 8. So we'll start with here is 0. 0 is in between, is in the middle. So what you're going to do is you're going to start at negative 4 on the number line. Where is negative 4 here? This is negative 5. 0 at the left of 0 are the negative numbers. Then at the right of 0, this one here, going there, are the positive ones. Then, of course, 0 is the center or the middle. So you start with negative 4. We are going left because we are that is negative 4. So we go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one here, before negative 5, this is negative 4 here, right? There, that's negative 4. Then what will we do next? At negative 4, we are going to add, or that's why we have the plus sign. So we are going to add 8 or positive 8. So we are going to go right, move right. How many times? How many times do we need to jump? 8 times. So 1, move to the right 8 spaces. Why to the right? Because that is positive. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there. Ando na tayo, yung green one, yung nasa green, yan. So, dito ang negative 4, we're able to find negative 4. So, again, to move 8 places to the right. Why 8? Why to the right? Because that's positive 8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anong number kaya ito? Type in your answer. The answer is, type in your answer. Negative 4 plus 8 using the number line. Anong number ito? Itong nasa green. That is, type in your answer. Kids, type in your answer. 4. Okay. By the way, when you say negative, lagyan nyo ng parang minus sign, negative 4. Pag walang sign, that means it is positive 4. It's either walang sign or mayroong plus sign, yung cross sign, that means it's positive 4. Okay? So, Felicity Estonilo, yung 4 na sinulat mo, that automatically means it's positive 4. Okay? Mylene GM, okay, correct. Hi there, positive 4. Nef Niulo, positive 4. No, that's okay. That's okay po. Better. Kaya po, okay po yan. Nga, kasali po kayo. Very good. That's my, as going to teach. Very good po. Nandito pa. That's why I chose YouTube. Kasi before, Google Meet lang po kami. Tapos kami lang din. At least ngayon, I'm able to reach a wider audience. You can stay po, Miss Mylene GM. Hi there. Kids, by the way, if you have time, go subscribe to Mylene GM. Yan. She's a fellow YouTuber, team dreamer. Shout out to you po. Okay, there. What's the answer? That's 4 or positive 4. Kapag walang sign, that means it's positive 4. Okay? Very good. Congratulations. Next. Let's try this. You can also have subtraction using the number line. Subtraction of integers. Let's try this. 6 or positive 6 minus 8. There. Let's start with by finding 6. Atong starting line is 6 or positive 6. Asan dyan yung positive 6? Dyan. Ito, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, next to 5 is 6. Andyan si 6. What are we going to do next? Yan, move to the left. 8 spaces. Back it to the left. Why are we going to move or jump 8 spaces to the left? Bakit pakaliwa tayo? Why? Thank you, Miss Mylene GM. Thank you po. Why 8 spaces to the left? Bakit pakaliwa po tayo? Kasi this is minus or negative. Negative yan. Okay, so this would be, hanapin natin yan ngayon. 1, okay, move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we found it. Ano kayang number ng dyan? Your answer is, type in your answer, kids. Okay, because the question, a given question is negative because it's subtraction, sir. Okay. Now, type in your answer. What could be the answer there? What is that number in that number line? Be careful with your kung kapag may negative, kailangan meron siya parang dash or hyphen, parang mayroon siyang minus sign to mean it's negative. Negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Okay, let's try. Type in your answer. That is, the answer is negative 2. Kasi this is, how do you know it's negative 2? This is 0. Then at the left of 0 are the negative numbers. So negative 1, negative 2. Okay. Okay, let's go straight now to addition of integers. Yung wala na tayong number line. When adding positive and negative numbers, you first have to study or look at the sign and tell or determine if the signs are the same or different. Pag sinabing same, that would be like signs. Kapag different, unlike signs. One is negative, the other is positive. Yan yung unlike signs. Same signs or like signs, importante yan ha. Like signs are both are positive or both are negative. Okay, yan. That's like sign. Okay? Like sign here. Kapag unlike signs or different signs, one is positive, the other is negative. Okay? Or one is negative, the other is positive. Okay? Unlike signs yan. Yan, you only have to know that. Then after that, after telling if it's like or unlike signs, that's when you're going to do the operations. That's when you're going to subtract and copy the sign of the bigger number. Okay, here. Example, negative 3 plus negative 5. What's the sign? Are they like signs or unlike signs? Yung negative 3 plus negative 5. Negative and negative. So that's, are these the same sign or different signs? You're going to type their same or different or like or unlike signs. Kids, type in. Negative 3 plus negative 5. Like signs or unlike signs? Same. Okay. They are same signs. Kasi, why? They are both negative numbers or negative integers. Okay? Same. Then what are we going to do next? Pag nalaman na natin ngayon na pareho silang negative, that means we are going to, since the signs are the same or like signs, we are going to now add the numbers and keep the same sign. Okay. Kapag like signs, what you're going to do kapag like signs same signs, like signs, you are going to add and then copy their sign. Okay? So what you're going to do is just add 3 and 5, then copy the sign. What's the common sign? It's negative. So here's what you're going to do. Both signs are negative. And that's in negative. What you're going to do with 3 and 5? Add them. That gives you 8. So your answer here is negative 8. There. Gets po? Yan na kapag same signs. Just add them like natural, like normal numbers, then copy the sign. Okay? Next. What if this one? Negative 8 plus 12. Negative 8 plus 12. Are they same signs? Are the signs the same or different? Type in there. Same or different? Type in your answer. Negative 8 plus 12. Are they the same signs or different signs? Different or unlike? Okay, very good. Correct. There. Since they are unlike signs, one is negative, one is positive. So they are different or unlike signs. What are you going to do kapag magkaiba yung signs nila? Pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhana. Wow. Okay, if the signs are different or unlike signs, what are you going to do? You are going to subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the biggest. Okay, dalawa lang itong number, so bigger number. Kapag unlike signs, magkaaway yung signs nila, what you're going to do is you're going to subtract them. Yung bigger number minus the lesser number, then copy the sign of the bigger number. Okay? Kinsa itong mas dako og number, kopyahon nimo ang iyang sign. Okay? Pildi man to si gamay, majority wins. Okay? Here. So, ayun na. Please copy that. If the signs are different, subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the biggest number or the bigger number. Here. So, what are you going to do? Which number is bigger? Is it negative 8 or 12? Of course, the bigger number, ito lang, as to the number lang ha, do not include in comparing the numbers, their signs. Which number is bigger? Is it 8 or 12? It's 12, okay? We are comparing not the negative 8 or the positive 12. We are comparing the 8 and the 12 only. Do not include their signs. So 12. Now, what we're going to do next is, what sign is the 12? Anong sign in 12? Is it negative or positive? Kapag ang number wala siyang sign na negative or positive, that means it is positive. Huh? So, yang si 12 is, what's the sign of 12? It's positive. There. Then, what are you going to do next? So, you subtract 12 minus 8. Ayan. So, copy the sign of the bigger number, which is 12. So 12 is positive. So, andyan sa labas. Now, you subtract 12 minus 8. Then, copy the sign, that which is positive. So, that would be, since our answer is positive, we can leave off the sign. So, 12 minus 8 gives you, how much is that? Your answer is, write your answer. Type in your answer. So, negative 8 plus 12. That would be 4. At yung pwede yung for positive for a positive number, pwede na siyang walang yung cross sign o yung plus sign na yung pwede siya meron or wala. So understandable na po, understood na po siya nga pag walang sign a number, that means it is positive. So that's 4. Okay? Let's have some more. 7 plus negative 11. You answer that. I'll give you 30 seconds. Do not write your answer yet. Do not write your answer muna. Wait for my bell. You solve that, write your answer in your notebook, then I'll give you time to, that's when you hear this bell, that's when you're going to type in your answer. Solve this. 7 plus negative 11. 7 plus negative 11. Do not write your answer yet kasi kung susulat na kayo ng answer niyo dyan, yung iba, mag-aantay lang sila sa sagot ninyo, hindi na sila magsusolve, then they will never learn. Okay? Remember that we are doing this for everybody to learn. $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, $30. Type in your answer now. Write your answer there in the chat box. Type in your answer. Type in your answer, kids. Okay, I'm saying negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, all the same answers, negative 4. Let's try. Now you're learning. Okay, let's have this. Are the signs the same or different? They are different sign. Kapag different sign, what you're going to do is you're going to subtract, then copy the sign of the bigger number. Okay? Yeah, they are different, unlike signs. So the signs are different, subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the biggest number. So 7 plus negative 11, the bigger number is negative 11 or 11. What's the sign of 11? Negative. So, yan. 11 minus 7 gives you 4. Then copy the sign. That's negative. Since our answer is negative, we must write the sign. Kapag negative, importante na ilagay nyo talaga yung sign na negative. Yay! Correct. Your answer is very good, very good. Negative 4. Let's try this. Another one. Okay. When the numbers have different signs but are the same, what happens? Okay, ito yung pasabot niya. Pareho sila nga numbers, pero iba yung signs nila. The same number 5. You try to solve that. I'll give you 30 seconds. Negative 5 plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5. What is your answer? 30 seconds. Type in your answer. Negative 5 plus 5. Go. Type in your answer. The answer, by the way, kanina is negative 4. Ha? Kapag negative, kailangan talagang ilagay yung sign. Kapag 0, wala pong sign si 0. Dili siya negative, di po siya positive kapag 0. Kaya wala tayong negative 0, positive 0, walang ganon. 0 lang talaga. Okay? Okay? I'm saying 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, yan. Since the signs are different, subtract the numbers. Okay? Yan. So 5 minus 5 gives you 0. Yay! Since neither number is bigger, the answer gets neither sign. So 0, wala sila. Parehas man sila nga one is negative, one is also positive. Parehas sila nga parehas sila tie sila nga parehas sila kadagko. So parehas po sila nga di maka-receive ng sign. So 0 na lang ka para walang pinapanigan. Okay? So neutral man na si 0. Neutral si 0. When you add two opposite numbers, they are always equal to 0. Like when you say positive 5 plus negative 5, yan. Or positive 2 plus negative 2, 0 na sa tanan. So kung sa panakadako nga numbers, basta opposite sila nga, parehas sila nga numbers, basta kailahi sila signs, that means that's equal to 0. Okay, next. This, you can copy this. This is now our rule. Okay? Wala, ito yung rule natin. Yan. That's very, you can copy that. Maliit lang naman yan. Same sign. This is the summary now for addition of integers. Kapag same sign or like signs, add and keep the same sign or common sign. Parehas man sila nga positive, kopyaha. Parehas man sila nga negative, copy. Okay? Drop. Ihulog diretso ang common nila nga sign. Okay? But, what happens if it's different signs? What you're going to do? Kapag unlike signs, when you say unlike signs, one is negative, one is positive, one is positive, one is negative. Unlike sign, what you're going to do is subtract. Okay? You subtract and then copy the sign of the bigger number. Okay, I hope this is clear. And I hope you copied this one. The one in the yellow box. Wow, yellow box, lugar lang. There. Okay, next. Did you copy that, kids? Okay, oh, we have a practice guide. Okay, there. Answer that. I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay, before, when you hear the bell, that's when you type in your answer, kids. Negative 8 plus negative 2. Negative 8 plus negative 2. Negative 8 plus negative 2. Type in your answer. Okay, type in your answer now for negative 8 plus negative 2. Okay, okay. Type in your answer, kids. Everybody. I'm seeing negative 10, negative 10, negative 10. The sign is very important, One mistake, isang mistake lang, imbes nga writing positive, you wrote negative, wrong na yung sagot niyo po. Kaya importante yung sign. I saw the sign. I opened up my eyes, I saw the sign. Negative 10. Oh, okay. All the same answer, everybody. Okay, there. Let's try. Very good. That's negative 10. Wait, I'm going to have my emoticon. Yay, yeah. There. Congratulations. Next, that one. Negative 9 plus 2. Negative 9 plus 2. Okay, answer that. I'll give you 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not type in your answer pa ha. Ito for number 2. Negative 9 plus 2. Wait for the bell. Type in your answer. Type in your answer now, kids, for negative 9 plus 2 or positive 2. Okay, I'm seeing negative 11, negative 7. Be sure with your answer, Miss Estonelo. Is it 7? Or okay, that's okay. That's the same thing. Negative 7, negative 11, negative 11, negative 7. What could be the answer? I'm saying negative 11 or negative 7. So they are unlike signs, no? One is negative, one is positive. And it's addition. What are you going to do? So subtract. Diba? Subtract, diba? So 9, kasi kapag unlike signs, you subtract. So 1 is negative 9, 1 is positive 2. So 9 minus 2 gives you 7. And copy the sign of the bigger number. Which is bigger, 9 or 2? It's 9. What's the sign of 9? Negative. So your answer would be negative 7. Correct. Yay! Negative 7 po. The answer is negative 7. There, next one. Answer this, kids. Negative 4 plus 8. Negative 4 plus 8. 30 seconds. Type in your answer. Type in your answer. I'm saying negative 12, 4 or positive 4, negative 4, 4. There are many different answers. Careful with the signs, kids. 4, negative 12, 4, 4. Other answers, please. Okay, let's check. So there are, one is negative, one is positive. Okay, and this is addition still, no? Addition pa rin tayo. So what are you going to do? You are going to subtract. So 8 minus 4 gives you 4. Now, what's the bigger number? Is it 4 or 8? It's 8. What's the sign of 8? Positive. So your answer is 4 or positive 4. Correct. Yay! The answer is positive 4. Yung 4 na pwedeng walang sign na positive. Pwede na. That's understood. Okay. Please also check your own answer. Next. Negative 9 plus 9. Ayan. Negative 9 plus 9. We're on number 4 now. Addition. Negative 9 plus 9. Do not try to answer yet. I'll count until 30 seconds. 10, 11, 12, 13. Type in your answer, kids, for negative 9 plus 9. You're not sure, Landero? Why do you have a question mark? Are you asking me? You should be sure with your answer. No question mark. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so that's 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So you're going to add them. So 9 minus 9 gives you 0. And since both are equal, so nag-aagawan sila sa sign. So para neutral, so you write 0. Both will receive no sign. So that's answer. Your answer is 0. Yay! Congratulations. Everybody got it right. Perfect. Number 5, this one now. 7 plus negative 3. 7 plus negative 3. 7 plus negative 3. 30 seconds. Wait for the bell for you to write your answer. Type in your answer now, kids. Type in your answer. 7 plus negative 3. What is your answer? Write it that down. We have 4, 4, positive 4, okay. 4, 4. Type in your answer. By the way, kids, amethyst and gold, this is not only for you. If you have your brothers, younger siblings there, tell them to learn from me here. Ipapil sila. Kaysa naman magdulaay na magutsaay na sila dira. No? There. 4, 4, 4. I'm saying the same answers, right? 4, 4, 4. Everything is 4. Let's try. 7 plus negative 3. Unlike signs, what will you do kapag unlike signs or different signs? Subtract. So 7 minus 3 gives you 4. What's the sign of 4? So what's the bigger number? 7 or 3? It's 7. What's the sign of 7? Positive. So that's positive 4. Or just write 4. No, correct. Wow, perfect. Now you're learning. Okay. One last for addition practice. Number 6. 4 plus negative 8. 4 plus negative 8. 4 plus negative 8. 30 seconds. Type in your answer, kids. Type in your answer. 4 plus negative 8. What's your answer? Negative 4, negative 4. You have to solve the Asgay. Other answers, please. What's taking you long? Negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. Yeah, somebody says 12, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. Okay, let's try. We have 4 plus negative 8. Unlike signs or different signs, what you're going to do, so you subtract. 8 minus 4 gives you 4. Now, what's the sign of 4? What's the bigger number? Is it 4 or 8? It's 8. What's the sign of 8? Negative. So your answer is negative 4. Yay! Negative 4. Okay, who got 6? Who got 6? Hey, write your score. Write your score, kids. Kids, write your score. Over 6. You write your score there, over 6. Is it 5 over 6, 6 over 6, 4 over 6, 3 over 6? Okay, write your answers. Write your score. Write your score. Don't be shy. It's okay. Anyway, we are learning. 6, 6, 5 over 6. Passing is 5. 5 over 6 is passing. 5, 6. Very good, very good. Okay, yay. Next, let's go now to subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Okay, ito na ngayon. Getting harder. We will have another rule for subtraction, okay? Congratulations. Now, when you have a subtraction problem, rewrite it as an addition problem and change the sign of the number after the subtraction. Mamaya yan siya. Pag yan ang quadra, gilisulisod. I have my own. For the same thing na iya in English. Okay, for subtraction, it doesn't matter whether that's a like signs or unlike signs. Dito, kanina sa addition, what you did kanina actually is nag-addition addition, pero actually nag-subtract right? Kapag lalo na kapag unlike signs. Dito naman sa subtraction, what we do is we add. Okay, we just change the sign of the second number. Okay, ito yung sa akin muna pa. This sa pagi, paklaro ko ninyo. Later na kaya. This. Ako sa diri sa ako para dako inyong plan. Wait. I'll get back to that. Kini sa ako nga rule lang sa ito kay para maklaro ko ninyo. For subtraction. Kanina sa addition of integers, what we did is we actually, lalo na sa unlike signs, we subtracted, nag-minus nag-deduct. But here sa subtraction of integers, what really happens here is we are going to add. We just change the sign of the second number. Your subtrahend, yung pangalawang number, no? Example, we'll have we have here 9 minus negative 3. 9 minus negative 3. Look at this one, okay? What we do here is step 1. Change the sign of the second number. Kung patindog pa na, o ngani imo paubos patindog ay mo pagsulat, the second number is yung nasa baba. Kung pawala ka pahigda, 9 minus negative 3. Okay, the second number is yung pangalawa. Ito yung the one at the right. Okay? Basta your second number. Change the sign. Kapag negative siya, change it to the opposite sign. Okay? What's the sign of this? The second number, sa 9 minus negative 3, the sign, what's the second number? It's negative 3. Change the sign. So, ano yung original ya? This will become, change the sign to positive. Okay? Focus here. Do not shut anything yet. Then proceed to addition. What's that? Stop that. Focus here. Again. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. My original kanina is ito. 9 minus negative 3. Ito yun. Naging ganyan na dayon. Ito yung given ko kanina, original. 9 minus negative 3. Change the sign of the second number. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. Okay. Here, change the sign of the second number is negative 3. So we change the sign. Naging positive 3. Then proceed to addition. How do you proceed to addition? Yung minus, gawin mo lang positive. Gawin mo lang, addition. Change to proceed to addition. So, originally from 9 minus negative 3, naging na siya? 9 plus 3, or 9 plus positive 3. Then you can add now. 9 plus 3 gives you 12. What's the sign of 12? Positive. Pwede na siya mayroong ganyan, pwede din wala. Okay? The answer is positive 12. Or 12. Stop that. What's that, Miss Garo? What are you doing? I hope you copy this. Okay? I'll give you another one. This is very wanawa. That's why you have to listen. Okay, this one now. Answer this. Wait for 30 seconds. That's when you're going to write your answer. Negative 8 minus negative 4. Negative 8 minus negative 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. Write your answer. Write your answer. Write your answer now, kids. What's your answer for negative 8 minus negative 4? They say some says negative 4, negative 4. Other answers, please. Only 2 are answering. What are your answers? Okay, negative 4. What's that answer, Miss Julian P? That's an apostrophe. That's not a sign. Positive or negative only. Negative 4, 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. So it's a battle between negative 4 or positive 4. Okay, let's try. What could be your answer? All eyes here. Change the sign of the second number. What's the second number? It's negative 4. Change the sign. Then proceed to addition. So unlike signs, so that's what you're going to do. When you add unlike signs, you just subtract. So 8 minus 4 gives you 4. What's the sign of the bigger number? The bigger number is 8. What's the sign of 8? Negative. So the answer is negative 4. Okay, the answer is negative 4. Okay, let's get back to the end. Okay, I'm going to give you something that is this one, another one for here. Mas pasunta na ito dito. How about this? Negative 1 last for this. Marxwella, what's that? Okay. Okay. Negative 9 minus 3 or positive 3. 30 seconds. Negative 9 minus 3. 30 seconds. Wait for the bell. That's when you're going to write your answer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Write your answers. Write your answer, kids. Negative 9 minus 3. Write your answer. Negative 12, negative 6, negative 12. Other answers, please. Negative 6, negative 6. Okay. Other answers, negative 6, negative 6. Okay, let's try now. Okay, there are only two steps for subtraction of integers. Change the sign of the second number. The second number is 3. This is positive 3, right? Change its sign so that let's make it negative 3. Then proceed to addition. So that becomes negative 9 plus negative 3. Unlike sign or like sign? That's like sign. So 9 plus 3 gives you 12. Then copy the sign of their common. They are both negative, so the answer is negative 12. The correct answer is negative 12. I'm going to write the answer. Answer is negative 12. Okay? Let me get back to the one. One muna, 5-minute break. Water break muna. I'll just mix my coffee, okay? Before I get back to that presentation. I'll present again, share screen. The answer is negative 12. Congratulations. Share a screen, share a screen, share a screen. Application window, this one. Wait muna, I'll just have my coffee. Water break, kids. Kopi ko na. Hindi mo na ako. Okay na ko, hindi kinakain. Gusto hot pang yan. Gusto hot like me. Alin na tiga ko things. Isang boring.
Sorry.
Problem, yes, sir. Okay, yeah. Order ko sa coffee din ba? Karon yung gamay na kinatasa ko. Puro rin na kape. Puro na kape bitaw. Mahal guys. Karon sila to sa kape.
Amerikano?
Oo. Sige na, ako na lang palipot ko. Mag-drive pa man po eh. Mag-drive pa.
Hindi siya, matakay siya.
Oo, matakay siya.
Nagalos din yan.
Lamit na kayo nga, isang shot eh. Grabe.
Two minutes. Okay, I'm back. Okay, that one. Manag siya akong rule no nga. Change the sign of the second number then proceed to addition. Mas simple ni siya. I guess this is simpler to understand than the one here sa PowerPoint. Now, when you have a subtraction problem, rewrite it as an addition. Muna siyang proceed to addition. Then change the sign of the number after the subtraction. Or libog siya, no? So, di rin ito. Mas easier ni i-understanding ako giingon. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. Okay, let's have this. Negative 4 minus negative 8. Change it to addition. So, ang minus naging plus. Then, change the sign of 8. What's the sign of 8? It's negative. So, you change it to positive 8. Yan. Now, kaya ito yung sabi ko kanina. After rewriting, proceed to addition. Whatever you learned about addition kanina, you follow that. Ito yung sabi ko na sa subtraction, we are actually adding. Di ba? Since the signs are different, subtract and take the sign of the biggest number. Yan, yan. So your answer is 4. Yan, sige. Answer that. 30 seconds. Negative 8 minus 7. Negative 8 minus 7. 30 seconds.
Pwede ko ng story.
Write your answers. Type in your answers. -8 minus 7. -8 minus positive 7. Write your answers, kids. Type in your answers. Kids, type in your answers. -15, -15. Other answers, please. -1, okay, -15. What else? Other answers? One or positive 1. And 15 or positive 15. Okay, okay. What other answers? -15. Okay, let's try. Let's check now, huh? -8 minus 7. Rewrite the problem. Change the sign of the second number. The second number is 7. So from 7 or positive 7, change it to -7. Diba? Then change the minus sign to positive. Say proceed to addition. That will become -8 plus -7. So like signs na, diba? -8 or -7. So just add them. 8 plus 7 gives you 15. Then copy the sign. The common sign is negative. So that should be, your answer is -15. Yay, correct. Those who got -15, you are right. May tama ka. Okay, the answer is -15. You can copy that, or ito yung kanina ko. Simple siya for you, but for the sake of this class, you copy that in subtraction summary. Copy that subtraction summary. Copy that one in the yellow box. So change subtraction to addition and change the sign of the number after the subtraction. Follow rules for addition. Ito yun. The same na siya ibig sabihin nitong change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. I'll give you 30 seconds, 1 minute to copy that. Then I'll give you another like what we did in addition. I will give a 6-item practice test for subtraction. Okay. Ready your notes. Ready your notebooks. Subtraction guided practice. You wait for 30 seconds before you type in your answer. Okay. Then please be honest in checking. Okay. Ready. Ready? Not that. Okay. -9 minus 9. -9 minus positive 9. 30 seconds. Type in your answer. Type in your answer, kids. What's your answer? -9 minus 9. Type in your answer. Zero, -18, 0. What else? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's find out that. Are you sure about that? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Iba na to kanina ha. Sa addition yung kanina, the opposite sign. Remember that you have to change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. Ikadua ka mag-change ng sign dito. Change ka ng sign ng second number. Tapos i-change mo rin ang sign ng minus sign to plus sign, di ba? Okay, are you sure about that? Okay, let's try, ha? Negative 9 plus negative 9. So, yan. Yung 9, y, dito. Yung si second number, negative 9 minus 9. Ito yung original natin na expression. So, itong second number is 9. What's the sign of this 9? This is positive, di ba? This is positive. So, change it to negative. So, kaya naging negative 9. Then ito, si minus sign, gagawin natin plus sign. So, it becomes negative 9 plus negative 9. Yan. Dalawang negative 9, so you add them. So, that becomes 9 plus 9 gives you 18. What's the sign? Common sign is negative. So, your answer is negative 18, kids. Your answer should be negative 18. Okay, gets? So, that's why I tell you to be careful with the signs. This one. Next. 14 minus negative 3. 14 minus a negative 3. 30 seconds. Be careful with the sign. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. Ikaduha ka mag-change ng sign. Yung ikaduha nga number, change nimo. Then, ang minus sign, change to addition, to plus. Okay? 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type in your answer, kids. Type in your answers. Type in your answers. 14 minus negative 3. I'm saying a negative, is that negative 8? I'm saying 17. What else? Other answers, please. Time's up now. Positive 17 or 17, that's okay. 17, 17, 17, 17. Other answers, please. Do not just follow the trend. Whatever is your answer there, ayon sa pagkakaintindi mo. Dili magawat-awat kung unsa lang answer. Malay mo, correct ka, mag-awat ka sa ila. Na, that's cheating already. Okay? Ano po? There, let's try. Again, change. I'm going to also solve it here. That's 14. Or positive 14, that's the same. Minus negative 3. There. That would be, change the sign of the second number. The second number is negative 3. What's the sign? That's negative. Change it. Then proceed to addition. So what you're going to do now is 14 plus 3, that is 17. Then what's the sign? This is positive, also positive. So that's 17 or positive 17. Okay, that's correct. Very good. That's correct. Very good. Now you're learning. Just be careful with the signs. Number 3. Number 3 now. Negative 7 minus negative 7. Be careful. Negative 7 minus negative 7. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. Be careful. 30 seconds. Write your answers. Write your answer now, kids. Time's up. What's your answer? Type in your answer. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0. Let's try it. Zero, 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 zero. Negative 7 minus negative 7. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. So 7 minus 7, that gives you 0. They are Opposite. So one is negative, one is positive. So 0 has no sign. Okay, that's correct. 0 is correct. Okay, congratulations. Now you're learning. Number 4. 4 minus 9. Positive 4 minus positive 9. 30 seconds. Four minus 9. Type in your answer, kids. 4 minus 9, or positive 4 minus positive 9. I'm seeing negative 5, negative 13, negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. Other answers, please. Do not retract your answers. That's why before you write your answers, you have to be very sure first. Okay, negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. Let's try. Type in your answer, everybody. Don't worry if you've got it wrong or not, okay? It's okay. This one here. Okay. 4 minus 9. Change the sign of the second number. 9 is positive, change it to negative, and proceed to addition. So then, when you add unlike signs, to subtract. So 9 minus 4 gives you 5. What's the sign of what's the bigger number? It's 9. What's the sign of the bigger number, which is 9? It's negative. So your answer is negative 5. Let's try. That's negative 5. Congratulations. Yeah. Who got 4? Please write your scores now. Over 4, 4 over 4, 3 over 4, 2 over 4, 1 over 4, 0. Before we proceed to multiplication and division, kasi parehas lang ang rules ng multiplication and division. Write your scores for subtraction. 4 is the total. Write your score, kids. 4 over 4, very good. Nefni, Marxwella, okay, passed. Passing is 3. Felicity, 3. Okay, passing, very good. 3. Yuridale, okay. Samantha, 3. Kurt, 3. Jada, 3. Okay, very good. Now you're learning. Now let's go proceed to multiplication and division. Gianda na ako because ang operational na nag-iba, pero as to how we deal with the signs, the same lang po ang rules ng division and saka multiplication of integers. There, yang sabi niya dyan, no? The rules are the same for multiplication and division. There. If the signs are the same, the answer is positive. When you say the same, kapag sinabing the same, pwede positive, positive, or negative, negative, as long as the same signs or like signs. Maski pag negative, negative, ang answer ana, positive na siya. Dili kay negative, negative, negative niya pong answer. No. Positive, positive, the answer is positive. Negative and negative, the answer is positive. Okay? If unlike signs, we'll have that later. I love this situation. Ito muna. I'll stop sharing muna that one. I'll be back here. Asan yung stop sharing? Balik muna dito sa akin. I need you to copy this chart. You make this chart. Okay. The factors we have here. I hope you please copy this and make this chart. Don't worry if it's blurry. Anyway, I'm going to let you I'm going what's that? What are those? Okay. Here, just draw this, okay? Here, the factors are here. The factors here are the numbers that you use to multiply or divide. Then the answer, what do you call the answer in multiplication? That's the product. What do you call the answer in division? That's your quotient. That's why I just put answer here. Either answer refers to your product or your quotient. So you have here positive, 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 negative, negative, positive, negative, negative. Here. Copy this. Let's have this. Positive times positive gives you positive. Positive and negative. Positive times negative or positive divided by negative, that will be negative. Negative by positive, this will give you negative. Negative by negative, this will give you positive. Copy that. Positive by positive is positive. Positive times negative is negative. Negative by positive is negative. Negative by negative is positive. Ito yung, as you notice, like signs, the same signs positive. Positive, both are positive. Dito din, also here, they are both negative. So like signs, negative and negative, it yields a positive answer. Even if it's blurry, just listen to me. That's why I'm pointing and pointing what is inside the boxes. Okay? Don't focus on the blur. That's why I'm also talking. There. Are you done copying this chart? Wala namang words dyan. Okay? This is positive, positive, positive. Yan, kita. Positive, negative, negative answer. Negative, positive, negative answer. Negative, negative, positive answer. Okay, done. Okay. Let's apply this in our real life. Okay? Real life. What are these? Let's apply this to our friends. You know friends, right? We have friends who are bad. We have friends who are good. We have the friends who are positive and friends who are negative. Positive influencer, negative influencer. There. Let's consider positive as friends, and let's consider the negative, our enemies, as negative. Di ba? Pag nakakaaway, negative magina siya. They bring negative negativities to our life. So let's have that consider friends. We consider friends as positive. Okay, friends, positive, right? Hindi ka naman makikipagkaibigan sa kaaway mo. Somebody na Then enemies are negative. Gets this? Again, consider this kasi i-apply natin dyan ngayon sa multiplication and division of integers. Friends, positive. Agree? 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 Friends are positive. They give something good to our lives. Enemies are negative. They do no good to us. Okay, here, listen. My friend. Here. My friend's friend is my friend. Repeat after me. My friend's friend is my friend. Ang kaibigan ng kaibigan ko ay kaibigan ko rin. Tama? Ang amigos ay mong amigo, amigo po nimo. Di ba? Correct? Agree? Like. There. Friend. Positive siya tanan, di ba? My friend's friend is my friend. Ang kaibigan ng kaibigan mo ay pwede mo ring maging kaibigan. Tama? Of course. Next. Dito. My friends' enemies are my enemies. Again. My friends' enemies are my enemies too. Yeah. My friends' enemies are my enemies. Can be my enemies. Ang kaaway, ang kaibigan ng kaaway ko ay kaaway ko rin. Ang amigo sa imong ang amigo sa imong mga kaaway po nimo, di ba? Ang kontrabida na sila. Nag-uban sila. Ang amigo sa imong kaaway po nimo. So that's why it's negative. Ang kaaway ng kaibigan ko, ang kaibigan ng kaaway ko ay kaaway ko rin. Yan. My friends' enemies are my enemies. Correct. Agree? Imong amigo, iyang kaaway mapod nimo, di ba? Di ko alam niya makikamigo kay kanang kuan. Kaaway man na sa ni kuan sa amigo kay nako, di ko magwan-uban ana niya kay kaaway sila sa akong kuan. Iyang giaway ang akong amiga, akong best friend, so kaaway ko na siya. Di ko magwan-uban niya. So enemy na po to siya nimo. Correct. Next. My enemy's friend is my enemy. My enemy's friend is my enemy. Ang kaaway ng kaibigan ko ay kaaway ko rin. Yan. Pare-parehas na sa ani. Ngayon, my enemy's friends, yan. Ang amigo sa akong kaaway na po nako. Correct? Agree? So negative. Ito ngayon. Sa last one. Negative. Bakit naging positive in real life? Ganito yun, ladies and gentlemen. My enemy's enemy is my friend. Ang kaaway ng kaaway ko ay pwede kong maging kaibigan. Yan. Ang kaaway sa akong kaaway, pwede na po mahimong amigo. Yes, sa mga kontrabida, di ba? Katong kaaway na niya, iya dito sa buton. Okay, kita magkuanta kay, di ba? Ana man sa mga kuan. My enemy's enemy can be my friend. Yan, bakit yan? Di ba? Ang kaaway sa imong kaaway, pwede to sa nimo amiguhon. Magkuanta sa butang ato na sa kuanon. Di ba? Pwede to sa nimo amiguhon. Yan. Get sa by gali. Wow. I hope you copy that. Ganun. Pak, ganun. Sige, go. That's what you're going to remember, ha? Bakit naging ganyan? I hope you copy that. Yes, in movies, in conflict, that's what they do in plot, diba? Magsabot nito mga puros kaaway. Biguhunin mo ang kaaway sila. Okay, next. Let's get back to that, my screen. Application window. Ito. Ito na ngayon. Balik tayo dito. Okay. The rules are the same for multiplication and division. If the signs are the same, positive. Yan, ito. Yang data, ito yung sabi ko before, di ba nga? It can be ang signs ng symbol sa multiplication can be katong multiply nga x, di ba? Times, kato siya. Or kini, this is also that. Yung period na nasa gitna, yan. Multiplication din yan, ha? Or kapag wala siyang signs, Halimbawa, wala yan, wala si that, yung parenthesis lang, that means multiplication. Okay? So, negative 5 times negative 2. Both are negative, so your answer will be positive. So, you just multiply 5 and 2 gives you 10. Then, what's the sign of 10? They are both negative. So, negative times negative gives you positive. Here, note, the dot means multiply. Ito yung sabi ko kanina. Multiply the numbers and make it positive. Why positive? Kasi ang kaaway ng kaaway ko ay magiging kaibigan ko. Kakaibiganin ko yan. 10. Since the answer is positive, we can leave off the sign. Pwede na walang sign na positive o yung plus sign, ha? Kasi positive yan. Gets? Yan. Sige, let's try B. You try to answer that. Negative 15 divided by negative 3. Negative 15 divided by negative 3. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Divide them like natural numbers. Una-una ka mag-divide or mag-multiply. That's, I had na yung atimano ng sign pagkahuman, ha? 30 seconds. Write your answer. What is your answer for negative 15 divided by negative 3? Write your answer, kids. 5 or positive 5, that's okay. Pag positive, pwede na walay sign, ha? It's okay, understood na siya. Okay, what else? Other answers, please. Divide 15 by 3 first, saka mo na tupagin sign. Okay? 5 or positive 5, that's correct. 5, 5, 5, 2 na. What else? 5, okay. Okay, so 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. Now, ano ngayon ang sign ni 5? Both are negative. So negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. That's it. That's 5 or positive 5, correct? Very good. If the signs are different, magkaiba, unlike signs, the answer is negative. Ito yung kanina yung dito, positive, negative. My friend's enemy is my enemy. My enemy's friend is also my enemy. Ang kaibigan ng kaaway ko. Ang kaaway ng kaibigan ko. Oh, they are both negative. Kaaway ko na rin yan. Okay. Here. You try that. Negative 4, kapag walang operations dyan, ibig sabihin yan ay multiplication. Di ba? I told you this one like a week ago sa order of operations. Multiplication yan. Kapag walang operation, walang symbol dyan, multiply yan. Ha? So, ito. Note, parenthesis next to parenthesis means multiply. Multiply the numbers and make it negative. Bakit negative? Kasi ito ay opposite or 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So, unlike signs or different signs. So, 4 times 3 gives you 12. Then, negative. Negative 12. Gets? Negative 18 divided by 3. Yang bar na yan yung, that means division. You answer that. 30 seconds. Ito ngayon. Negative 18 divided by 3 or positive 3. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Type in your answer, kids. Negative 18 divided by positive 3. Type in your answer. Negative 6, negative 6, negative 6. Others, please. Okay, I'm saying the same answers. Negative 6, negative 6, negative. So 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. Now what's the sign of 6? You have 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So unlike signs, negative. Negative 6. Correct. The answer is negative 6. Now you're learning. Copy that. Copy that, please. Copy the summary for multiplication and division. Done copying? Okay, let's have a practice test for multiplication and division. Okay. Get ready, number 1. Ready. Negative 64 divided by 8. 30 seconds. Negative 64 divided by 8. Careful with the sign. You multiply or divide them first before you mind the sign. Okay? Do not write in your answer yet. 30 seconds. Wait for 30 seconds. Okay? Negative 64 divided by 8. Let's wait for the others. Wait for the bell. Type in your answers, kids. Type in your answers. Marl Errol Panizales says negative 52. Is that negative 52? Negative 8. Negative 8. Type in your answer, kids. Negative 8. Negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, negative 8. Okay. So you have 64 divided by 8. 8 times 8 gives you 64. So that's 8. What's the sign? 1 is negative, 1 is a positive. So they are unlike signs. So your answer should be negative. Negative 8 is correct. Yay! Congratulations. Number 2. Negative 10 times 2. Negative 10 times 2. Wait for the bell. Do not write your answer yet, ha? Okay. Huwag mo nang ilagay yung answer. Wait for 30 seconds. You wait for the bell. Negative 10 times 2. That's okay. Type in your answer now, kids, for number 2. Negative 10 times 2. Type in your answer. That's times sa yung dot, multiply yan. Type in your answer. Negative 20, negative 20, negative 20, negative 20, negative 20. Other answers, please. Okay. Negative 20, negative 20, negative 20. Okay, 10 times 2 gives you 20. Now, what's the sign of 20? One is negative, 1 is positive, so negative 20. That's correct. Negative 20. Okay. Mine here too. Okay, number 3. Ready? Ready for number 3? Number 3, that's division. That's negative 20 divided by negative 2. Negative 20 divided by negative 2. 30 seconds. Wait for the bell before you type in your answer in the chat box. Negative 20 divided by negative 2.
Bungkal sila dito.
Oh, nag-garden sila. Manggarden kami.
Type in your answer, kids, for number 3, negative 20 divided by negative 2. Type in your answers. Ten, positive 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, 10 or other answers? Are there no other answers? Type in your answer, 10, 10, 10. Other answers? Okay. Okay, 20 divided by 2 gives you 10. What's the sign of 10? One is negative, one is negative, so the answer should be, they are like signs. Both are negative, so that's positive. That's 10 or positive 10. Congratulations, that's correct. Number 4, ready for number 4? 7 times negative 4. 7 times negative 4. Type in your answer, kids. Type in your answer. 7 times negative 4. Negative 28, negative 28, negative 28, negative 28, negative 28. Okay, I'm saying the same answer. Other answers, please. Okay, you have to type in your answer. Okay. 7 times 4 gives you 28. What's the sign? One is positive, one is negative. So unlike signs gives you, that would give you negative. So negative 28. That's correct. Okay, ready for number 5. Negative 3 times negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3. Type in your answer, kids. Type in your answers. Negative 3 times negative 3. Type in your answers. Nine, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Or positive 9. Other answers, please. Okay. 3 times 3 gives you 9. What's the sign of 9? Both are negative. One is negative, the other is negative. So negative, negative. Like signs, same signs is positive. So that's positive 9 or 9. That's correct. Congratulations. Number 6. Negative 9 divided by 9. Negative 9 divided by 9. Negative 9 divided by 9. 30 seconds. Type in your answer. Type in your answer, kids. Negative 9 divided by 9. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. Other answers, please. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. I'm seeing everything as negative 1. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So unlike signs, negative. Answer is -1. Yay, congratulations. There. Okay, who got 6? Write your scores now for multiplication and division. 6/6, 5/6. What's your score? Tell me your score. Passing is 5. Write your scores, be honest. 6/6, very good. 6, 6. Very good, Felicity. 6/6, Marksuela. 6/6, Marl Errol. 6. Others, scores please. Julianne, 6. Dave, Divine, 6. Yuridale, 6. Nefni, 5, correct. Okay. Marl, 5 pala si Marl Errol. Kurt Landero, 6. Jade Marie Nunez, 6. Okay, congratulations. Now let's have the summary. Okay, anyway, you copied this already kanina. For addition, kapag same sign, you add and keep the sign. For different signs or unlike signs, you subtract and then take the sign of the biggest number. That's for addition. Then you can screenshot this one. Then for subtraction of integers, change subtraction to addition and change the sign of the number after the subtraction. Then follow rules for addition. Or, yung kanina nilagay ko dito, change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. We are now in a summary. Okay. For multiplication and division, say kapag same sign or like signs, the answer is positive. Kapag same sign, positive, positive, or negative times negative, the answer is always positive. For different signs or unlike signs, the answer is negative. One is positive, the other is negative. One is negative, the other is positive. That's negative answer. Or we have here, like what I've shown you here, ito, positive. My friend's friend is my friend. My friend's enemy is my enemy. My enemy's friend is my enemy. My enemy's enemy is my friend. Yan. I hope you also copied this. There. Okay. Okay. One last, I'll give you, before I'll leave you, I'll give you 4 item test with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay? 4 lang. Parang summary lang. Okay? Do this in your plan. Do this in your maths notebook. Apat lang. 1 with addition, then subtraction, division, multiplication, and then division. You can start solving now. Do not type in your answer yet. Yan lang. Okay, I'm going to read that because it might be blurry there sa inyo. Number 1, this is addition. Negative 40 plus negative 8. Again, negative 40 plus negative 8. Number 2, negative 30 minus negative 15. Negative 30 minus negative 15. Number 3, negative 8 times negative 4. Negative 8 times negative 4. Number 4, last number, this is negative 45 divided by 9 or positive 9. Negative 45 divided by 9. I guess that's better now. I'll give you 2 minutes kasi 30 seconds, 30, 30, 30, 30. So 2 minutes. 2 minutes. When you hear the bell, that's when I'm going to let you type in your answer for number 1. Then after that, we'll check. Then number 2, check. Number 3, then we'll check. Number 4, then we'll check. Okay? Ano ba?
Bang, nag-garden. Wala ka mag-garden. Ano sa ka mag-garden? Ang nag-garden ako na si Mira.
Nag-garden din ninyo.
Okay, everybody, kids, now you please type in your answer for number 1. Type in your answer for number 1. Negative 40 plus negative 8. Type in your answer now, kids. Number 1. Type in your answer, everybody. I'm saying negative 48, negative 48, negative 48. How about the others? Only 4 answered. Type in your answer. I'm saying negative 48, negative 32, negative 48. Okay, here. This is addition. Are they like signs or unlike signs? Same signs or different signs? One is negative, one is negative. So same signs. Kapag same signs, add ka lang agad. Okay? So 40 plus 8 gives you 48. Then copy the common sign. Copy the common sign, which is negative. That should be negative 48. Negative 48. Okay, number, that's correct. Huh? Be honest in checking your answers. Type in your answer for number 2. Type in your answer for number 2, negative 30 minus negative 15. Type in your answer for number 2. I'm seeing the same answers, negative 15, negative 15, negative. Everybody, please. Okay, there, done. Okay, negative 30 minus negative 15. Change the sign of the second number, then proceed to addition. Addition na tayo ngayon. So, they are unlike signs. Kapag unlike signs, anong gagawin kapag unlike signs? You subtract. So, 30 minus 15 gives you 15. Which is the bigger number, 30 or 15? It's 30. Now, what's the sign of 30? Negative. So, it's negative 15. Correct. It's negative 15. Now, type in your answer for number 3, negative 8 times negative 4. Type in your answer for number 3, negative 8 times negative 4. I'm seeing 32 or positive 32. Other answers, please. 32, 32, 32, 32, 32. Okay, 32, 32. 8 times 4 gives you 32. One is negative, one is negative. Negative by negative, that's both are like signs or same signs. So negative, my enemy's enemy can be my friend. 32 or positive 32. That's correct. Now, type in your answer for number 4. Type in your answer for number 4. Number 4 is negative 45 divided by 9. Negative 45 divided by 9. I'm seeing 5, negative 5, 5, negative 5, positive 5. What is it already? What's the sign of 5? Is it negative or positive? Let's try. 45 divided by 9. No conflicts there. It's 5, right? But what's the sign of 5? Is it negative or positive? This is negative. This is positive. Unlike signs. Okay? My enemy's friend. Okay? Ang kaaway ng kaibigan ko. No. My friend, my enemy's friend. Oh. Ang kaibigan ng kaaway ko ay kaaway ko na rin. Yan, negative 5. It's negative 5, ladies and gentlemen. Answer is negative 5. Now, who got 4? 4 over 4. Who got 4 over 4? Type in your scores there. Type in your scores. Type in your scores. Passing is 3 over 4. Type in your scores. 4 over 4. Perfect. Yay. Marsuela, congratulations. Nefni Yulo, congratulations. Samantha got 4 over 4. Kurt, 4 over 4. Okay, 4, 4, 3. Congratulations, Marl Errol, 3. Julian, 4. Yuri Dale, 4. Divine, 4. Congratulations. Kurt Landero, 4. Samantha Garo, 4. Jillian P, 4. Jada Marie Nunez, 4. Who else? Okay, very good. Perfect. Yay! I guess there are no questions. tomorrow, well, it's Friday. We will not have a online class because it's my DXDB time for RBI, no, sa DXDB live on air. And the lesson for tomorrow for grade 6 will be uh, about the elements of a short story, yung uh, setting, characters, conflict, plot, point of view, theme. Yun yung topic namin for tomorrow. Okay? So bye everyone. Bye grade 6 gold, grade 6 amethyst of Malabalay City Central School. Goodbye everyone. Okay, every time that I'll be having an online class dito na po sa YouTube, okay, para mas marami pang makakaalam. Hindi lang ang para open siya for public. Okay? Because that's my role as a teacher. Bye everyone. Thank you. Congratulations. Keep learning.